What is the Invert Selection tool? The Invert Selection function allows you to change the selection status of elements, converting unselected elements into selected ones, and vice versa. Where can this tool be found? You can access this tool from two different locations. You can find the Invert Selection function in the selection menu located in the main toolbar of the SGIS software. Additionally, you can access the Invert Selection tool from the graphics toolbar, which provides quick access to various selection-related functions. Why is the Invert Selection tool a smart tool? Well, by selecting the Invert Selection option, the current selection status of elements will be reversed. Previously unselected elements will become selected, and previously selected elements will become unselected. This tool is useful when you want to quickly switch the selection status of elements without manually selecting or deselecting individual elements.